Did you know your Android phone has a hidden menu full of advanced settings? Developer Mode unlocks powerful features that let you boost performance, enable USB debugging, and customize your device like a pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Developer Mode on your Android device, plus a hidden trick to unlock extra debugging options. Let's get started. Developer Mode, also known as Developer Options, is a hidden feature on Android that gives users access to advanced settings and system controls. It is primarily meant for developers, but regular users can also benefit from it. Once enabled, Developer Mode allows you to speed up animations, enable USB debugging, force high refresh rates, and customize system settings that are normally restricted. To enable Developer Mode on any Android device, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Look for the build number option, which is usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap build number 7 times in a row. After a few taps, you'll see a message saying, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." Keep tapping until Developer Mode is fully activated. Once done, you may be asked to enter your device's lock screen password to confirm the change. After enabling Developer Mode, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to find a new section called Developer Options. If it's not visible, you may need to check under System and then tap Developer Options depending on your phone model. Inside Developer Options, you'll find a wide range of advanced settings, including USB debugging, OEM unlocking, animation speed controls, and background process limits. One of the most useful features of Developer Mode is USB debugging, which allows your Android device to communicate with a computer for advanced troubleshooting, app development, and installing custom software. Another great setting inside Developer Mode is Animation Speed Control, which lets you speed up or disable animations to make your phone feel faster. To adjust this, go to Developer Options and look for Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set each one to 0.5x or turn them off completely for a noticeable performance boost. If you ever need to disable Developer Mode, you can do so easily. Go to Settings and then tap Developer Options and toggle it off, or reset your phone's settings to remove it entirely. Keep in mind that Developer Options do not harm your phone if used correctly, but changing certain settings without understanding them can cause unexpected behavior. Enabling Developer Mode unlocks a wide range of hidden features that can enhance performance, enable advanced debugging, and customize your Android experience. Whether you want to speed up animations, connect your phone to a computer, or tweak system settings, Developer Mode gives you full control over your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Otherwise, the next time you need Developer Mode, you'll be right back here searching again. See you in the next one.